Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiki, and in today's video, my family and I, we will be making our own homemade pizza. We wanted to come on camera to show you guys our pizza recipe and things that we do to keep busy during hard times such as quarantine. We know everybody's stuck in the house. It's hard to find things to do. So we're doing different things as a family to keep each other engaged and so that we do not lose our mind. And lately we've been baking with our kids and like doing different fun activities that's easy for other people to do. And it's beginners friendly, it's cheap, it's quick, and it's fun. We did it about a week and a half ago. My kids requested to make pizza again and they wanted to record it. So we're bringing it to my channel so other families can try it with their kids. It's more to life than just playing games, being on iPads, stuff like that. So why not engage with your kids and teach them how to bake pizza? If you want to teach your kids how to bake cookies, our last video that we recently did, I will leave a link down below so you can check that video out. We made strawberry shortcake cookies. And we will have more baking videos coming your way that you can do with your kids. I also left some educational websites for families to check out to do with their kids, since we are basically homeschooling our children at this time. So I'm just trying to give people different ideas and things to do to keep themselves engaged, keep your kids busy so that no one's stressed and about to lose their mind. So we're going to get ready and get into this video and show you guys the things that we will be using today. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alright, so we have round and thin bistro pizza crust. Don't worry, I will leave a description down below of everything that we are using today. We have turkey pepperoni, sliced olives, I almost forgot what it was, sliced olives, Prego pizza sauce, we have mozzarella cheese, 6 cheese Italian blend, garlic butter, we have the finisher, lactate pills for the person that's lactose intolerant in the house. Okay. So if you guys are lactose intolerant, before you take a bite into this cheesy pizza, make sure you pop a lactate pill, because nobody wants to have the bubble guts after eating some good pizza. And we have our water. Alright guys, so what are we doing first? King and Shahad, what are we doing? You're going to tell me and Daddy what we're doing. You did this before, you guys forgot? How? Oh, and I have cooking spray to spray the pan.
Oh yeah, we need to do the cooking spray first. Cooking spray first.
Go ahead and spray the pan.
I don't know what it is.
All around.
Yeah, write your name.
Too late now. His name is too long. Alright, that's enough. That's more than enough. Let me get a napkin so you can wipe it through like I had to do last time. That's a lot. So guys, like I said, this recipe is easy, it's quick, it's affordable, and it's something fun to do with your kids. We're home, so let's teach these kids how to cook so when they're adults, they'll know how to cook on their own. And I have sons. I don't want them to have to depend on females to cook for them. I want them to be able to do things on their own. So, let's show these people our recipe and our delicious pizza. So guys, what have we been doing? What did we do yesterday? Tell everybody where we went yesterday.
We went to the park. We played catch and we played football.
To get outside.
Yeah.
Today we couldn't go out because today
it was thunder and
yeah, today it was storming, so it's a perfect day to stay in the house and make some pizza with your family. And that's what we do, a lot of things as a family. This is the time to bring your family closer instead of farther apart. Alright, I'm gonna flip this. So here's our pizza dough. It's round, so I'm just gonna flip it on here.
Don't break it.
Hmm?
Gotcha.
So you're gonna put your pizza crust. We have a 12-inch pizza pan that I got from the local food store. So it's like a thin crust. We're not gonna be able to fix it up like we did last time because the picky eaters. Right, so we have our garlic butter. Let's go.
So now, we spreaded the garlic butter. We flattened out the dough. We put the dough on the pan. What do we do next?
We need a...
What's next?
Not yet.
You guys forgot that fast?
That's the third step.
You're gonna spread what?
I don't know how to do
What is this? Pizza sauce. So I'm using Prego pizza sauce. And that's what we're gonna use to spread over our pizza dough.
Yeah, you need.
Does anybody know what country is most famous for pizza?
No.
No idea?
Italy.
Italy.
Italy. And does anybody know when the first pizza was ever made?
The 1600. 1600. Let me get it.
Right. You must have Googled the same thing I did. Good job. I was today years old when I found that out.
What?
So yes, guys, pizza was originated in Italy in the 1600s. Thank God for Italy because pizza is my favorite dish. I can eat pizza every day. It could be regular cheese pizza. Pizza is one of my favorite dishes. Do you guys like pizza?
Yeah.
But you guys don't eat pizza every day like me.
Benihanas.
Benihanas? Yeah, I like Benihanas. I like BoxyCharm.
And you like the other.
And I like pizza. Pizza is my go-to. Next, we're gonna add some cheese. If he doesn't get it all on the table.
Can I do it?
Yeah, help him.
Help.
What is your favorite go-to place to eat?
My favorite go-to place? I think Philippe's. Philippe's is probably my favorite.
Yeah, they're good. Their food is good. But guys, I like pizza. Alright, so we're going to add some cheese. We're going to put cheese all over the pizza. You can put as much cheese as you want. I like my pizza cheesy, so this little bit of cheese that my kids are putting on this pizza is not enough for me. Alright, cheese, cheese, cheese. Let's go. And we're using the six blend cheese, but we're going to put some mozzarella cheese on it as well. So guys, what else are we doing during quarantine? What do we hope everyone is doing? Staying safe, right? Mm-hmm. And what should everyone do to stay safe?
When
they go outside, what should they have on?
Mask and gloves.
Yeah, so we hope that everyone is staying safe at this time, doing what they got to do to prevent catching this virus, and staying at home and social distancing. During that time, you could do stuff like this. Make pizza with your kids, bake a cake, cupcakes, cookies, teach them how to make pancakes. You can teach your kids a little bit of everything at this time. This is the perfect time to bond with your family. And that's what we're doing. Oh, recently on the news, I think it was on CNN, they were talking, like the doctors and everyone, they were saying that there'll be a lot of broken families at the end of quarantine. They feel as though this is not going to bring people closer, instead it's going to separate people. I feel as though this is bringing my family closer because we have time to bond. We have time to do different things together, play the game, watch movies, bake, color with the kids, and just relax instead of running around. I gotta go to work, you gotta do this, we gotta do that, sports, this, that. We have time to connect with each other. And I hope that everyone else is doing the same thing with their time. using their time to get closer with their family. Don't let quarantine separate you. Let it bring you guys together so that after quarantine, strong bonded families and nothing can separate you. So, you know, guys, just try to work through your issues and get close as a family. Now, when I said I like cheese pizza, my son definitely made sure he put a lot of cheese on this pizza. Good job. Look at the pizza. Now that is what you call a cheesy pizza. So, what else are we adding?
We like mommy. Look like mommy likes pizza with her cheese. Right?
So,
Like
my kids are picky eaters.
I am.
So I don't know about the pepper. We're gonna put some pepperoni and olives, but it's gonna be on one side of the pizza because they like cheese pizza, and we want olives and pepperoni. So that's what we're gonna add now.
Yeah, that goes on last though.
Oh, my bad. So you're gonna bake this in the oven on, let's see, 400. I think last time we left it in for about 15 minutes, but you just keep watching it, and once your cheese is melted and your crust is the color that you want it to be, then you can take it out. But I think we had it on for about 15 minutes and it came out perfect. It actually came out better than we expected. We were all shocked. And I also have some mozzarella sticks and what is those, like chicken sticks?
We're gonna clean this after.
Yeah.
Mozzarella sticks and chicken, I think that's like little burrito sticks. Chicken burrito sticks that I put in the oven so we can have that with our pizza too. And for the adults we have some wine, and for the kids we have some juice. Right guys, orange juice and lemonade. Alright guys, let's decorate this pizza. You like that turkey pepperoni?
I'm just watching.
It's good on the pizza too, but you want us to put on all the pizza? Or only on some?
Some.
Alright.
Wanna waste it? I'm just looking.
You don't want to waste it?
Robert, no, we wanna make.
So you guys can add, like, if you like chicken, you can add chicken, turkey.
Chicken turkey.
People like, what stuff people like to put on their pizza? What's the thing? Mushrooms, jalapeno. You can put different things on your pizza to make it to your liking. But trust me guys, it's easy, beginners friendly. If you don't know how to cook, that's fine. It's nothing to making a pizza. This can be your first dish that you learn how to make on your own. And trust me, the kids will love it. So we're going to put our pizza in the oven and we'll be back when it's finished. Alright guys, our pizza is finished. It's fresh out of the oven. This is what it looks like. It looks very delicious. And we cannot wait to dig in, right guys? Hopefully once quarantine is over and the world opens back up, we can go to Italy and have pizza where it originated from, right guys? What if you go to Italy, what Italian dish do you want to eat? Like spaghetti, lasagna, ziti? What do you like, King?
The pizza one.
You want pizza if you go to Italy?
Yeah,
me too. And I want some penne alla vodka. King, what would you eat if you go to Italy?
I don't know.
Spaghetti? Don't you like spaghetti? Alright, so you'll eat spaghetti. Dad, what would you eat if you went to Italy?
You know I like my lasagna.
So, lasagna.
Lasagna, ziti.
Hopefully after this is over, we can take a family vacation to Italy or somewhere nice. Because trust me, after this is over, everybody's going to need a nice vacation. Alright guys, let's cut the pizza. Who wants to cut? Let Dad cut.
Let Mommy do it. Yeah, let Daddy do it.
Let Daddy cut it.
Kids, you know kids.
Kids don't cut.
Yeah, they might cut this
Down the middle because of Shahad. Well, Shahad said he liked the pepperoni.
Daddy, you don't need to go hard on it. Bro.
We're cutting it into a few slices. Well, Daddy's good at cutting because Mommy surely ain't.
Oh my God.
We see we pay attention.
Oh my God.
I just want to eat the pizza.
Dad's good at cutting.
So who's taking a slice?
Me.
I'm gonna take one.
Shahad, how do you always the one that want to eat everything? Get your slice hot.
Oh, this is hot.
Which slice you want?
This one.
This one.
I
With your
like the
pepperoni.
pepperoni and
Shahad likes to try different things.
I don't like this.
Yeah. It's hot, so you got to be careful.
That's good.
Oh, what's like that? It's so good.
And I also made, don't mind my paper plate, but we have mozzarella sticks to eat with our pizza. And these are the little chicken burritos.
Burritos.
They're very good. It's filled with chicken and cheese. So that's what we're going to have. How's the pizza?
Good.
Dad, how's the pizza?
That's good. I'm ready for my second slice.
And we have our bottle of wine to have with our pizza. I hope you guys, yes, and orange juice for King. And we have orange juice and lemonade for the kids. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to try this pizza recipe with your family. If you do, take pictures and tag us on Instagram at lavishlooks_by Kiki so we can see how your family pizza came out. Once again, it's beginners friendly. It's affordable. Guys, make sure you stay safe, stay healthy. You go outside, make sure you have your mask on, your gloves on, your hand sanitizer. Do what you got to do to prevent catching the coronavirus. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And hit the notification bell so you know whenever we post videos. Until next time, be safe.